Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Zoom app and signing in. Make sure you use the account you want for the meeting. Once signed in, confirm camera permission is granted in your device settings so Zoom can access the lens. Next, position the QR code where you can easily point your phone, on another screen or paper, so you won't fumble during scanning. Starting with these steps prevents delays and explains why camera access and an unobstructed code are essential. From the home screen, tap Join, look for the small scan QR icon near the meeting ID field, then tap it. When your device asks, allow Zoom to use the camera so the app can read the code in real time. Hold your device steady and place the QR code inside the on-screen guide until Zoom recognizes it. Moving too quickly often causes failure. Once the code registers, Zoom will parse the meeting info and proceed to the join confirmation automatically. After the scanner opens the meeting, review details and tap Join. Choose phone audio or computer audio and toggle video on or off. If the scan fails, try again with brighter lighting, steady hands, and a clean camera lens. These adjustments fix most problems quickly. Also, make sure no protective film blurs the image. If scanning still won't work, manually enter the meeting ID and passcode displayed with the QR code. That fallback ensures you can join without scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.